Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn the steps to quickly and easily move to Tally Prime Release 2.0 from earlier releases. If you are using an earlier release of Tally Prime, you can directly move to Tally Prime Release 2.0. Tally Prime offers an in-product upgrade option that allows you to move to any latest release seamlessly. In case of Tally ERP9, you can install Tally Prime 2.0 and start working. You need to have a valid TSS subscription to move to Tally Prime Release 2.0 from earlier releases. Before you start the process, ensure that the internet connection is working and only one instance of Tally Prime is running. In Tally Prime, click F1 Help or press F1. If you are using an earlier release of Tally Prime, a red dot is shown next to F1 Help menu. This indicates that a newer release is available for upgrade. You can follow the red dot to upgrade. Select the option Upgrade and press Enter. You will get the product update screen. The header section will give you the details of the current Tally Prime version in use. Also, the details of TSS validity period. The subsequent section provides the list of all releases later than the current version in use in your system. Navigate to Release 2.0. In case you don't find Release 2.0 in the list, click F12, Configure, or press F12 and set the option Show All Releases to Yes. All the releases available for you to upgrade are shown in the product update screen. Select Release 2.0 and press Enter. The next pop-up shows three options. Click No More or press K to open release highlights, or click Download from website or press W to download the installer and install Release 2.0 in a separate folder. Or click Update or press U to download and update the new release in the same folder as the current installation. This will mean the current installation will be moved to Release 2.0. We want to move to Release 2.0 directly, so click Update or press U. A message is displayed, click Yes or press Y. Tally Prime downloads and updates to Release 2.0 and the application will restart. Your data features and F12 settings will be carried forward. In case you are using Tally ERP9, you can download Tally Prime 2.0 from Tally Solutions website. Install it in a different folder and create a separate folder for Tally Prime data. After installation, copy Tally ERP9 data to the newly created data folder and open it in Tally Prime. The data from Tally ERP9 is flagged as migration required. Select the data and press Enter to migrate. Once you open a data in Tally Prime, it cannot be opened again in Tally ERP9. Hence, make a copy of the data before moving it to Tally Prime. Click Yes to confirm. The data is migrated and you can start working with the data. Tally Prime and Tally ERP9 users can move to Tally Prime Release 2.0 at any time in a matter of minutes. The only prerequisite is to have a valid TSS subscription. Move to Tally Prime Release 2.0 and get the benefits of the latest features. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.